Hey guys, it's Candy. This is a very random and I promise you unplanned video. I did not plan to come on. I was back here on my back porch just tending to some of my plants, watering them and stuff. And I figured that I would share this with you guys because I was in the dark at one point, and so I figured just in case anybody else out there was, making the same mistakes that I was, I thought, it was, appropriate to share it with you guys. So I'm here watering my plants and looking at the progress of my orchids, and I just thought I would show you guys. Was I the only one that didn't know that after the flowers on the orchids fall off, that I wasn't to toss the entire plant, like just trash it, like just throw it away? Because I was doing that for years. Like if I ever got an orchid once, the flowers, those pretty blooms, fell off, I thought that was the end of it. And so I usually just, get rid of it. But it so happened by chance that one day I left one of those plants on my back porch, and I think it was just a matter of being negligent. I intended to throw it out, but I just rested on the floor and just did not remember to throw it out. It was just sitting in the corner, being abandoned, not being watered at all. Let me say not at all, because as far as I'm concerned, it was done. It was history. And months went by, and then one fine day I happened to look at the plant and noticed that it was budding. Like seriously, there were new orchid buds coming in, and I actually just pulled it out and put it in a position where I could actually see it on a daily basis and measure the progress to see if this was really going to happen. And it did happen. It fully bloomed, and the orchid plant was good again, totally good again. And ever since that, I once those fell off, I just left it and it came back in. If I ever got a new plant, I would do the same thing, not throw them out, just leave them in the back, barely give them any water, because orchids don't love a lot of water. I've learned that also. Barely give them any water. They can survive without water, I promise you that, because that one did. And let me just give you my update. I have 3 orchids on my back porch now, and I kid you not, they are all coming in again for the 3rd time. This is one. Let me show you guys. So this is the first one. Yes. This is the type of orchid it is. And this one actually came in with an extra stem. It only had this one middle stem that is braced by this stick or rod here. So this was the original plant, and it bloomed and everything. Now it's coming in with new buds, and then it grew a whole new branch, and this is what it's doing. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, look how many on the one orchid plant. And I'm telling you guys, this is amazing to me, because I was totally in the dark and I accidentally found out that yeah, they do come back in. I mean, I might sound ignorant for not knowing that, but guys, it is what it is. I didn't know. I'm not somebody who usually get orchid or buy orchids, so I would not know. And then this small one was gifted to me by some friends, and this is the 3rd time it is about to bloom. And I feel like when they do come back, they come back with even more, because I promise you, this did not have this many flowers the first time when I just received it. So when you just let them be, just leave them alone, and the leaves are still looking nice and healthy. Sometimes the leaves don't look as healthy, like in this case. I don't know what's going on with this. The leaves look like they're struggling, but still doing the most. All right, and I have one final one. Leaves are looking amazing, and I can tell that it is about to do something. Look here. Yes, new fresh pre-buds going on. This is going to be a whole new stem coming out. And then down here, and I think this is how they actually get additional flowers. These stems down here, they can mature into a flower bearing stem, and so this might happen with this one. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's my discovery. And again, don't come for me if you knew and I didn't know. Okay, do not come for me. All right, so just wanted to share that with you. My channel is definitely hair based for the most part, but I want to try to incorporate more holistic content, because I'm a whole being and I don't just do hair, and I'm not just interested in hair. There's a lot more to me. And so, gradually taking baby steps, I may just start sharing other aspects of my life on my channel. So this is the first one. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tolerating. If you have any tips regarding plants and their maintenance, because other than orchids, that doesn't require much TLC, most plants that I attempt to actually nourish and nurture, they die. I don't know, but I do not have a green thumb. Most of what I try don't work. So if there's anything that I need to know, so these are the things that I like. No, not that I like the pretty ones, but not all of them like me. Like this is my miniature jade tree. These things, they're not needy, right? They're not very needy, and I think I do better with plants or trees that are not very needy. So if I do not tend to them, they are not going to just go ballistic and die. All right, so yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Again, this is Candy of Natural Hair Dynamics. Follow me on Instagram, Candy Hair Creations, on TikTok, Candy Hair Creations, on Facebook, Candy Hair Creations. That's my like page, and let's connect. All right, talk to you on my next one. Bye.